Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Purple Code. In this video we will learn how to multiply two matrices in Java. In Java, we must ensure two things in order to calculate the product, otherwise, matrix multiplication is impossible. Assume we have two matrices A and B of dimensions m into n and p into q, respectively. The first matrix's number of columns must equal the number of rows in the second matrix. This indicates that n equals p must be true. The dimensions of the resulting product are number of rows in the first matrix into number of columns in the second matrix. As a result, the resulting matrix has the dimension mq. For example, matrix A has elements 2, 3, 4, 1, and the matrix B has elements 6, 8, 2, 5. Then after multiplication, we WLL get resultant matrix 18, 31, 26, 37. Let's see the coding part. The output will be Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also leave a sweet comment below. Happy coding!